Do you sell commercial lines? One of the benefits of Georgia Agents is for me to run a lead generator of specific businesses within a radius of your office. Here's one I'm doing for one of the members. He's looking for body shops within a almost 20-mile radius of his office. So I just very simply look it up. By the way, look at all the different lines there are that you specific businesses if you want me to run one for you. But look how easy it is. It just creates an Excel spreadsheet. I tell it, in this case, body shops, and I choose car repair. And, uh, and then I just put in the zip code in just a moment. And voila. It starts generating it. It has the name, address, phone number, and website. And I can even do email addresses if they have email addresses on their websites. So if you want to enjoy this Georgia Agents benefit, all you have to do is send me an email and ask me to run a report for you. I'll send it to you in an Excel spreadsheet, and happy sales to you.